In this video, I will show you a hidden display trick using your laptop's integrated graphic card setting that can instantly make your screen look more vibrant, colorful, and sharp. And most people already have this feature on their PC, but they never use it. Open the search bar and type Intel Graphics Command Center. Now, go to the display section and look for the color settings. Inside, you will find Windows default color setting. Here you will see options like brightness, contrast, saturations, and gamma. Switch it and create your customized display setting. Now follow all the settings I am changing. I am decreasing brightness to remove whitish tone of display. Contrast enhancement increase overall color of your display. One of the main element of this setting is saturation. Increase it slightly around 50 to 70% according to your display. Increase contrast and your colors becomes more vibrant. After adjusting all these settings, your display feels closer to HDR quality. As soon as you increase these settings, you will notice something amazing. But don't overdo it, otherwise colors might look unnatural. Adjusting these settings like giving your screen a free upgrade. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like.